Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to score penalties consistently in Dream League Soccer 2026. If you've been missing penalties or struggling to win penalty shootouts, this guide is for you. I'll explain simple but effective techniques including when to use low shots, powerful shots, and lifted penalties so you can choose the right option in every situation. Make sure you watch this video until the very end because I'll be sharing all the important tips and tricks that can help you become a better DLS 26 player and improve your chances of winning more matches. Even if you're a beginner, these penalty techniques are easy to learn and can make a huge difference in your gameplay. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video and master penalty kicks in Dream League Soccer 2026. Firstly, always tries to choose the right player whose shot accuracy is good. Choose the right player whose shot accuracy is 70 plus and normally one tap the lofted kick. Move the cursor half left to the keeper and press the low kick to 100% and shoot. Move the cursor right to the keeper and press the hard kick to 10 to 15% and shoot. Place the cursor to the center of goalkeeper and press the low kick to 100% and shoot.